In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Business not visible to customers. If your Google Business profile is only visible to you or your managers and not showing publicly to customers, the first thing to check is whether the profile is fully verified. In many cases, this is the main reason a business listing does not appear in search results or on Google Maps for the public. Start by logging into your Google Business Profile Manager from Google Search or through the Google Business Dashboard. Once you're signed in, look carefully at the main dashboard area. Google will usually display important alerts there if something is preventing your listing from being publicly visible. Pay close attention to any warning that says suspended or verification required. If your profile is suspended, that means Google has restricted the listing and it will not be shown normally to customers until the issue is resolved. If it says verification is required, then the profile still needs to be confirmed before it can become publicly visible. This step is essential because Google uses verification to confirm that the business is legitimate and managed by the correct person. Next, review your business information and make sure all of it is accurate and complete. Check your business hours, your primary business category, and your address. If you operate as a service area business instead of serving customers at a physical location, make sure your service areas are set up correctly instead of showing an incorrect storefront address. This information matters more than many people realize. If your hours, category, or address are incomplete or inconsistent, Google may limit visibility or delay full publishing of the profile. Even small mistakes can create confusion for both Google and potential customers, so take a moment to confirm that everything matches your real business details. If you do see a verification notice, follow Google's instructions to complete that process. If you see a suspension notice, you'll need to resolve that status before the profile can be visible again. And if there are no alerts, but your business details are outdated or incorrect, updating them may help the listing become properly available to the public. So to fix a Google Business profile that isn't visible to customers, make sure the listing is fully verified, check for any suspension or verification alerts in the dashboard, and confirm that your business hours, category, address, or service areas are all accurate. Once those core details are in order, your profile has a much better chance of appearing publicly the way it should.